Pero Kuya Aga, kamusta yung experience kanina from the contract signing to the pictorial?
Oo, masaya. Hindi, um, sabi ko the days leading to this was really nerve-wracking. Even the decision I made. But then, pagdating ko kanina, parang I never left home. It was so normal. You see old faces, friends you've worked with for like 19 years. FYI, I was in ABS for 19 years.
Wow!
But the only difference now is that I was gone for 6 years. And I did work for 3 years, I stopped. And so this is my first day ako makahawak ulit ng microphone. First day ako makuha ng picture. First day ako na-interview. Kaya medyo naiilang ako. But it's just nice to see some old faces here who, na mga kaibigan from the president who wants. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.
Thank you.
Salamat. Masayang araw.
Yung old faces na sinasabi mo, excited na magtanong sa'yo, Kuya Aga. Ngayong ano. Si Manay, ito ba ang first question? Parang may conflict of interest naman to.
Pati ba na si Tita Ete,
Huwag naman ganon, Manay.
Pero hindi si Aga ang tatanungin.
Ay, ganon. Sige. Yung press mo ni Aga to, Manay. Kuya Louie Andrada, our business unit head.
Why Aga?
Ako talaga. Why Aga? Well, alam naman natin kasi di ba na pag boy band, naghahanap ka, sila ay heartthrob. Di ba? So when we're doing the casting, Vice is a performer, Yeng is a songwriter, Sandara is a member of a girl group. So may kulang na element. So naisip namin yung epitome ng heartthrob yung nawawala. Eksakto, anniversary nila ni Charlie, nakita ko sila sa Hong Kong, doon sa airport. Tapos bumati-bati ako. Tapos doon ko naisip, sabi namin, pwede si Aga dahil siya yun. Siya yung hinahanap. So yun, after nun, yun na yung start. So siya talaga yun, the heartthrob. So yun.
Thanks, Louie.
Ang dapat ko lang maging hashtag nito, salamat sa Hong Kong.
Salamat, Hong Kong.
Tita Ete, lumahashtag ka na.
Magtatanong ka na si Dino.
Ay, hindi mo natanong yung alaga mo, Manay? Hindi na.
Baka magsabi.
Nahirapan ka bang pauohin si Aga? Manay, nahirapan ka bang pauohin si Aga to do this project?
Gusto niya naman talaga ng it's a new experience
for him. Was it an easy decision, Kuya Aga, when this was offered to you?
Easy. Teka muna. How do you say this? It was a question of parang was I ready? The question of coming back to ABS, wala na yun eh. That's fine. Parang diyan ka naman talaga pupunta. Nagpaalam lang ako sandali. But then going back to work was like a big question also really. And it took me a couple of days or weeks also. Of course, parati na sinasabi, we pray for it. But then really, I've been praying about it. Like sabi ko, I kind of got tired of working. I got burnt out already. And I was living the normal and enjoying the regular life. Really having fun with it. But then one day, it dawned on me na parang, I'm 46. I just turned 47. When I was thinking I was 46 at the time, I said, parang it's too young for me to retire. Parang it's too young. But I don't mind really. But then, parang meron pa akong gustong gawin. Kaya hindi ko na alam. Parang hindi ko na alam kung paano ko papasok, paano ko babalik, anong gagawin ko. Ang alam ko na gawin talaga, ang hilig ko is pelikula.
Okay.
So I'm always in touch with Star Cinema naman, with Tita Malu. So anyway, then this thing came in. So Pinoy boy band, ganyan. And then I got a message from Leia and my wife. So I got 2 text messages from my wife and Leia na parang, ba't nanggagaling na sa iba-iba? May offer sa akin. And then si Tita Ethel calls me up also. There's an offer. So I said, parang ito siguro yun. Because it's light. It's different. There's not so much pressure because there's 4 of us. So sabi ko, that's the best way I guess to make a comeback sa ABS.
Right.
So I'm just happy to do the show because again, it's not focused on me, but this time parang you wanna give back, you know, parang you mentor these young kids now. Parang tulad na pag-uusapan, parang makita mo naman yung destiny nila, no? kung paano sila mag-uumpisa, lahat ng pangarap nila, sisikat sila, dadaanan nila yung naranasan ko sa buhay. So it's just nice to start something off like that.
Okay.
So I'm just very happy to have decided to do this show. Plus Shirley, my wife, would always tell me, B, that's a group of Louie. Yan ang mga nag-aalaga sa akin, mga ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, kilala ko rin sila. But sinasabi niya talaga, alagaan ka nila. Eh, alam ko naman.
Alright.
So, thank you.
MJ,
Yes po.
magtatanong si Dindo Balare.
Okay. After ni
Kapatid
Kuya
ni Dindo.
Dindo, si Kuya Mario na.
So anong image na makikita sa'yo dito? Si Vice is comedian, yung isa is composer, singer, tapos may Koreana.
Yeah.
Anong style ni Aga dito na mai-expect?
I don't know. It's just gonna be me. As real as it gets. Parang, sabi nga, para what's the best way to critic or to judge people is just be honest. And I even told them, sabi ko, I'll just be as honest as I can. Sabi ko, because that's the only way I can be of help or it can work. Plus also, you know for a fact that the show nakasentro sa mga batang lalaki. So parang mas focused ang tao sa kanila. We're just gonna be there to mentor a little and to give advice, parang gano'n. So what you're gonna see sa akin is just me, and then we'll take it from there. Sabi ko nga, mga ngapa pa ako, so we'll see. I'm 47 now. I'm happy where I am, and it's gonna be fun.
So iiwanan mo na mga painting mo muna?
Pause muna.
Ang mga... may balita na ba yun? Hindi, nandiyan lang yan. You know, one thing pa is, ang pinakamaganda nangyari, kaya pasalamat din sa Panginoon talaga, because of, when they told me about the schedule of tapings, masyadong magaan siya. So parang hindi ako malalayo din sa mga anak ko. I will be working, but I can still have my normal life, which is really good. So what more can I ask for, really? Maraming salamat talaga. Thank you, guys.
So welcome back talaga, Aga.
Salamat, Dindo.
Thank you, Kuya Dindo. Kuya Mario.
Kuya Mario! Facebook?
Oo nga.
Di ba?
Hindi ka naman nagbago. Hindi ka nga mukhang 47 eh. Akala ko si Andres yung dumating kanina.
What you believe, di ba? 47 na. Ang sarap. Ang sarap.
Yeah, but sabi nila, along with this, you're also doing a movie for Star Cinema. So how true is that?
Hindi ko pa alam. Sana. I'm taking one step at a time. I would love to do a film for Star Cinema and with Star Cinema. Hindi mawawala yung my passion for doing films. Alam ng ABS yan noong pa, even 2010 when I was still here. And talagang nung nawala na yung mga sitcoms, I had to stop. It was really hard because parang you have to shift to doing soaps, and I really parang sabi ko, wag, parang iba pa rin ang pelikula talaga. So, kung nararapat, they gave me the script today. So, I'm excited to come home and read it. So, pag naayos natin, and if schedule permits, then hectic ka agad. Ito muna
Dapat
siguro. Ha?
Ang tagal-tagal mo namang walang ginagawa eh, di ba? So dapat you should plans into
Grabe nga ginawa ko today. Sobra. Lunchtime, I was here for contract signing, and then we did VTRs. I did first time yun in 3 years without nothing. May taga-tape na ako ng mga spills, meron akong gano'n, may pictorial, and then now I'm here, nagkasalita ako sa mikropono sa inyo na, 2016, my gosh.
Grabe, baka naman mahulog na ang katawan mo niya.
Pagod. No, it's fun. Masaya ako. I'm very focused. Sabi ko nga, nung sumagot ako na ako sa paggawa nitong show na to, sabi ko nga, you can expect 100% from me. So, I'm really giving my 100% here. And I'm gonna bring in this good energy. I pray to God that it happens. It will happen.
Well, it's nice to see you again. Good
It's
luck.
good to
At
see you
sana
too.
Magtuloy-tuloy talaga. At kasi I remember nung huli tayo magkita sa UP, yung sana maulit-uli na restoration.
Yes.
You said you were going to do a movie na with
Yes.
Leia, di ba? So,
Hindi tumutuloy eh. Hindi
Oh, so-
hindi pa na oras.
so I hope this time matuloy na.
Yes.
My
Thank
best
you.
wishes.
Salamat.
Thank you, Kuya Mario. Before I give the microphone kay Dondon Sermino, Tiaga, what are you looking for in a boy band?
Ha?
Sa boy band, ano yung hinahanap mo? Ano yung qualities?
Makikita mo naman yan. Ang sa akin lang, what's important, which I realized today, is it's gonna be very difficult for the kids, no? Kasi mga, not kids, but itong mga teenagers na to, because bago pa lang sila. So, sa audition yan, makikita mo na kahit may dating, nininervous yan.
Okay.
Kulang pa. But you have to see beyond that. Meaning, you can see from a guy na parang feeling mo, pag binigyan mo na to ng konting experience pa, konting oras, konting panahon,
Mahihinaw.
magaling to.
Oo.
Gagaling talaga. So yun ang babantayan ko para sa akin. Yun ang gusto kong tignan.
Okay. Hindi yung first look na gwapo agad, may dating, given
Well,
na yun.
that matters of course,
Okay.
you know, because yung first impact is like that.
Yes.
Kaya yung first impact mo, gwapo, kaya lang pagsalita o pagkanta, tas wala namang... Minsan walang laman, meron ganun eh. Maraming, parang ako, di naman ako gwapo, hindi naman
Grabe.
hindi naman maganda katawan ko.
Grabe naman.
Sakto lang. Pero dahil sa karanasan, medyo nahasa ng konti, di ba?
You're the ultimate leading man na, di ba? Sabi.
So, masarap ganun. So, yun ang gusto kong batin. Plus, also, I will make sure that I don't take them for granted.
Okay.
All the contestants, all those who will audition, para I will make sure that I don't take them for granted.
Okay.
Meaning, I will give them my time, my focus, and my attention.
Alright. Don, question?
Yes, Aga.
Ganda.
Tanong ko lang, ano ang...
Kamusta ka na?
Okay lang. Ano ang mga na-miss mo ngayon sa showbiz? Especially dito sa ABS. And sino-sino ang mga na-miss mo?
Yung malapit sa akin ang Star Cinema, sobra, no? Lahat ng pelikula, kasi mahal kong gumawa ng pelikula talaga, and sitcoms, of course. So sa ABS-CBN, it's really basically all of them who I've worked with. And what do I miss? What do I miss?
Oh.
Ito. This is, if there's really one thing that I miss, I guess that's really to do a film again. And to do a film talaga. And this TV show naman gives you that energy. Iba yung live. Iba yung ganito. So I'm really excited. Really, God is good. Parang after like 6 years of not, or 4 or 5 years of not doing anything, biglang ito yung darating sa akin.
And ano yung feeling na ngayon, yung sobrang init pa rin ang pagtanggap sa'yo ng
Sobra.
kapamilya?
No, it's really nice kanina. Pagdating ko nga rito kanina. Pero you know, honestly, pagdating ko kanina, parang siyempre nakakatawa, parang sabi ko, wow, ABS. Oh,
First
this
time mo ba
building.
after 6 years?
Oh
ulit?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh yes. 6 years talaga. And then, but nung nakita ko yung salubong nila, nakita ko lahat ng kasama mo mula nung mga bata pa sila, na matatanda na rin sila ngayon.
Grabe.
Yun ang sarap eh, no? Parang kasama mo sila noon, parang hindi ako nawala talaga. Because remember, if nung I was trying to explain to some of them, like when I went to TV5, I didn't do a show sa studio. I was really out of the country, out of town. So ganun. Only sa last 4 months of my contract did I do the Let's Ask Pilipinas. So dun lang ako nakapasok ng studio talaga nila. So ang kilala ko lang is my staff doon sa Pinoy Explorer. So it was just that. So parang pagbalik ko rito, kinakabahan talaga ako, syempre. Pero nung nakita ko lahat, parang wow, saya. Parang hindi rin ako nawala talaga. But sinabi ko nga, parang sabi ko kay Tita Cordy, you know, sa lahat, parang I'm better now. I have no angst. I just want to work and give back, really.
Pero hindi naman naging mahaba yung proseso ng pagbabalik mo dito? Or it's something ba na hindi mo napaghandaan? Or bigla?
Yeah. Oh, medyo parang there was this thing sa loob ko na parang sabi ko, I'm still too young to retire, but I just parang, but at the same time, hindi mo na alam kung paano ka babalik. Kasi gusto ko bang gawin ito? Hindi. Gusto ko bang gawin ito? Hindi. Anong gagawin ko? Ang film naman, andyan parati yung Star Cinema. No? Kaya it's just that parang it's always schedules, plus your weight issues, of course, you know, like you're overweight and you're like this, and parang how do I diet if there's no challenge? Parang you try to lose weight on your first month, you're losing it. Second month, you let go again because you're living the normal life na parang, naku, naka-shorts ka lang. I mean, you guys, you wake up, sobrang high, ano? No, imagine this feeling na buong buhay mo gato, bilang all of a sudden, ito na yung buhay mo. Tutulog ka, and then wala kang isipin na gagawin bukas. So you wake up, parang nothing pa. So you can just do anything you want. Your kids are there, your wife is there. So masaya. Masarap.
Reaction ng kids and ni Sherlyn.
Oh, they're excited. My kids are medyo na ninibago. Parang hindi sila sanay. But they're excited because they're 15. They're turning 15 this year. So they understand it. Plus the show is Pinoy, boy band. So they can relate to it. So mga teenagers kasi. So they're all looking forward to this show. As a matter of fact, even my daughter wants to watch the first taping day. So
Talaga?
but yeah.
Wow.
Pero may eskwela eh.
Ay, okay.
Yeah, but habol yan, habol. For sure. And isipin nyo naman, first taping namin sa Muntinlupa pa.
Lapit.
Di ba?
Salamat sa'yo.
Sa labang. di ba?
Pabor na pabor.
Salamat kaya sa'yo.
Hirap! Ang hirap. Ang
Hindi
hirap.
ko jogging lang.
Ang hirap.
Last question ko na lang.
Yes.
May plano ko ba pag-artista yun sa Andres? Kasi
Yeah.
nakita namin yung picture sa kay Girly
No,
Rodgers.
because it's been coming out.
Nag-iba yung itsura niya. Biglang
Yeah. Hindi, ako magkasabi talaga gwapo talaga.
puso ko sa'yo nga.
Kahit ako nababakla ako sabi ko, what happened to you?
Kaya nga tumangkat.
Oh, yeah.
So-
And he's a really nice boy. He's a really nice boy. But he doesn't have social media. He just got his phone last month. First time na sila nagka-phone last month, silang magkapatid. So they really don't know what's happening. But kinilig ako eh nung sinabing parang ano yan, Daniel, James Reid. Oo. Parang ganyan, Andres is here. Oh my God, sabi ko, wow. Ganun pala feeling, ano.
So, papayagan mo.
Seriously, kinikilig talaga ako inside.
So, medyo lumalabot yung puso mo, papayagan mo.
Hindi. Parang wala sa kanya eh.
Ayaw.
Hindi naman sa ayaw niya. We never talked about it. Parang it was never, I mean, it's formative years, ano? Itong 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, na wala rin akong sa show business. So, parang he doesn't know that. He just goes to school, we travel, and then, but of course, I'll just let him finish high school.
Okay.
And then he goes to college, and then I'll let him decide. You know, parang as they get older, parang hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin na parang magtapos ka ng kolehiyo para makapaghanap buhay ka. Kung merong hanap buhay na magandang papasok para sa kanya, if they want it, but not now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, may pinagmanahan din talaga. In terms
Thank you, Don. Ito naman
But
si...
thank you for that. Thank you. We really appreciate that. Thank you.
One of the new faces na magkatanong sa iyo, Kuya Aga. Si Profesora Josephine Bonsol, one of our vloggers.
Hello. Magandang gabi.
Hello po. Ang itatanong ko lang po, ano po sa palagay niyo yung meron ang mga mag-audition ngayon o yung upcoming artists today that you think you didn't have before?
That I want to see because because of social media, parang mas experienced ang taong now. Parang kami nung panahon namin, tagal na nun, parang kang mangmang na mangmang. Tipong wala kang alam, hindi ka, when you first start, hindi ka sanay mapicturean, hindi ka sanay mag-videohan. Unlike now, it's normal doing selfies, doing your own videos, posting your own thing or your blogs or like that. So I think they're more exposed now. So you're gonna see more talent now. I believe I'm gonna see more talent now. And then because of the situation also of our country, yung mga kababayan natin, yung kahirapan sa buhay ngayon, makikita mo yung gutom. Yun ang feeling ko so kung may tsura ka, you have the talent as you're hungry. Yeah.
Ano po pala sa palagay ninyo yung ini-expect ng mga mag-audition na maririnig nila from you?
For me,
Yes.
I don't know. I really don't know. Basta ako, because this is the first time I'm doing this, I'm judging, so I'll take the cue from Sina Vice, Sina Sandara, I would listen to them also. And then basta ako sa akin siguro, not siguro, dapat you just be real and honest there. Even if it hurts.
Correct. So parang Simon Cowell?
No naman. No, but I will not, I cannot be too, I would just be me.
Okay.
Hindi naman ako pwede maging masungit, hindi naman ako masungit na tao.
Wala sa mukha.
Hindi naman ako pwede magtaray-taray na parang gano'n, di ba? Sasabihin ko na parang, okay, but,
Ayan. Okay, gets mo na.
I don't know. We'll see, I'm excited.
Alright.
I'm excited.
Kailan ba first date niya next week na, Kuya Louie? Next week na pala.
Next week.
Ayan.
Last tuloy-tuloy ka agad, ano? Akala ko may taping eh.
Ay!
Parang
Sama
tuloy na
agad?
yata.
Kuya Louie, kailan po ang airing ng Pinoy Boy Band Superstar?
September, pero we're not announcing yet.
Ay, okay. Alright. Okay. Si Bernie Franco naman from PEP, ang sunod na magtatanong. Bernie?
Hello, Aga.
Hello, hi.
Tanong ko lang, your first time to host, you host, to be a judge.
Yes.
Nag-host ka na, nag-act ka
Yes.
na. Ano yung feeling mo to host together with Vice, Sandara, and yan? Intimidated? Comfortable?
No. I think I'm more comfortable with that because I'm working with good talented people. So it's not hard. Parang iba yung, you have your show, ikaw magdadala, ikaw lang mag-isa. Eto, meron ka ng mga batikan lahat. So parang it makes life easier for me. Yes.
Do you still need to prepare? I mean, first time to judge?
Always, yes. Well, ever since naman na naghahanap buhay ako sa trabaho, sa pag-aartista, my preparation is like different. Meaning in terms of, I don't take it, parang I'm not really parang sobrang sarado na serious na, okay, no wala muna mag-istorbo sa akin, First and foremost, parang with my weight issue, I gotta prepare with that. That's the hardest part. So ongoing to. So hopefully by next month again, when we tape for the second part, I get thinner and thinner and thinner. So when you get thinner and thinner and thinner, you feel better and better and better. So it gets better.
I mean, you've done it before naman eh. So,
Yeah. But it's hard when you're living a normal life. Now, parang siyempre pag nagsusot ka na ulit kasi naka-shorts ka na ako parati, long sleeves. Diba? Eh ngayon, parang kailangan magsuot ka ng, oh my gosh, kailangan medyo nice. It's fun. Masaya.
Last question.
Yes.
You kept mentioning a while ago na you really love doing movies and you hope to do movies.
Yes.
Wish list lang, sino yung mga gusto mong makatrabaho ulit or yung bago na gusto mong makatrabaho sana?
Tinanong namin kanina yan, iniwasan kami. Tanong natin ulit.
Wish list lang naman.
Wish list lang, Kuya Aga.
Hindi ko alam. Parang I just wanna kahit naman sino sa akin kasi more than the leading lady really or more than na makakasama mo sa pelikula. Ay hinahanap ko yung storya talaga.
Material.
So they've presented the past year stories but parang wala. Kasi from reading it kasi, yung ma-visualize parang si ano ang bagay dito or si ganito ang bagay dito. Parang ganito. So meaning minsan you read the script and then you may isip mo you can revise it a little na you can get a younger girl or mas matanda sa'yo or bigla mas masatog maging magkapatid na lang kayo. So nag-iiba yung casting mo. It changes. But my dream, mga wish ako, kahit sino. Yeah, well I haven't worked with Bea. As a matter of fact, there's someone messaged me with a synopsis. And when I read it, sabi ko, this is the movie for Bea. Kay Lea naman, yun ang inahanda na nila. So we'll see what happens.
Yee! Exciting!
Yeah, well, we'll see. Sana. I'm so looking forward to all these films.
Thank you, Bernie.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bernie. Salamat. Kuya Aga, your last film was 2010, correct?
Yes.
In the Name of Love.
Yes.
Ayun, with Angel Locsin. Si Glenn ang next na magtatanong. We're down to our last two questions, Kuya Aga. So, makakahinga ka na ng maluwag.
I'm enjoying this.
Ay, nag-enjoy ba? O, hapakan ba natin?
Sabi ko nga, di ba? Parang
Warm up na ulit
once you commit, you're there. Parang no rush.
O, sige, magpamorningan na tayo dito. Joke lang.
Ayun
Glenn.
ang kaya.
Ayan,
Go.
syempre
Go.
bago yung mga contestant, yung mga judges muna kailangan kumbaga magkaroon tayo ng chemistry. Pero ano yung impression mo sa kanila? Syempre naman, I know, kilala mo naman bawat isa sa kanila.
Oo. You know,
Si Vice.
si Vice, you know Vice, no? I mean, napapanood ko siya. But I think I've just seen him like 3 times in my life. I think, parang ganun, 3 times once. Meron isang basketball a long time ago, nakita ko siya, and then, kumaalala na sa mga 3 times in person. But it was nice. Ganun, masaya lang. Ganun. But of course, you always watch him, so you know him. Parang ganun. You know of him. Sandara Park, I know of her. I remember before she was here in the Philippines, tapos she made it, she went back to Korea, and she became successful with her parang the K-pop thing. Okay, and then si Yeng, of course I know Yeng. I have her CD before. CD. Okay, so, but hindi ko pa siya, siguro we've met, but so wala pa akong nakakasama talaga sa kanila.
Pero ready ka na sa mga medyo harap ni Vice? Kasi si Vice usually...
Nice, better kasi maharot din naman ako. So, parang masaya nga eh. Ganon. So, yun ang sinasabi ko na when you have mga yung mga your co-judges. So, parang it lifts the pressure. Takes away the pressure.
Right.
Yeah.
Yun, nabanggit yung kambal kanina. Sila ba may mga favorite silang boy band or band ngayon na naikikwento rin sa'yo?
Iba eh. Parang iba yung music nila. Iba.
Saan nahihilig?
My daughter is into old, like 70s and 80s. My son is into like medyo rock and hip hop.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Saan sila nahihilig ngayon? Ano yung mga activities nila?
Oh, my son just goes to school and plays with me basketball. He started weight training now. My daughter is just into the arts. She loves to paint. She loves to draw. She loves school. She doesn't like it when classes are suspended. Unless is the happiest when it is. Typical, parang tatay niya, di ba? Nag-aaral ako pag walang pasok. Yun lang naman. It's just, gano'n. And then we ano bang kiniibangan nila? My son is into shoes, sneakers. My daughter's always kept it simple.
Wala pa naman yung mga tipong crushes. Meron
I don't know. I don't want to talk. Ayoko, baka mamaya may masabi ako na embarrass sila. But, you know, it's starting. It's starting. It's kind of starting. I know it's starting. Yeah. And I'm excited to in this new phase because para pinagdaanan ko yun. So you know how to handle it. I thought I was going to be the strictest, but then now you realize parang may ganun talaga eh. So we'll see. You just have to manage it and then explain it to them para when they get into whatever, parang they're ready.
Yung last question ko, ano yung pumapasok sa isip mo pagka ipinapakilala ka na Aga Mulak, one of the superstar judges?
Yeah, hindi kainap. Siyempre, nahiya ako. Nakakailang, di ba? Kasi parang papasok ako sa mga taong kilala ko na. And, but it's nice to you know, yung pagbi-build up, yung pagsasabi ng gano'n, parating masarap pakinggan. Parating masarap pakinggan yan, pag, the praise and adulation and like that. But then at this age, you know, parang, you know already what's real and what's not. Sometimes it's just all about your craft. You believe that, you believe you love it, you have passion for it. Then that's what really matters. Whether they say you're a star or you're a good actor or you're lousy or you're laos.
Yeah.
Ang importante is being happy where you are. Parang ganun. So it's nice always to hear praises. It's always nice to say the ultimate like this and the ganyan, and I'm grateful. thank you, but parang never naman lumagay sa utak ko yun.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Aga.
Salamat
Welcome
din,
back.
ha? Thank you, thank you.
Kanina actually, Kuya Aga, while we were watching the VTR, yung body of work mo will speak for itself. Diba? Yung pinakita nilang VTR kanina. Last 3 questions from this table. Mga old faces ulit, Kuya Aga. Pero ang iyong manager mag-i-intro, tumayo pa. Kabog.
Mag-intro ako ng magtatanong.
Ayan. Go, Manay!
Tinanong sa akin ni Peter Dizon, one of the brains behind this
Show.
kung sabi niya, Tita Ethel, nagpapatanong daw kung kung pwedeng makilala yung mga fan ni Aga. Sabi ko, wala na yatang fan si Aga.
Ay?
Followers mayroon. Well, magsasite ako ngayon ng isang fan forever ni Aga.
Ay, totoo?
Yes!
Ay, saan pupunta, Manay?
Saan na ba? No less than Marie Chris de Castro, entertainment editor,
Magpakita ka
Dan
ng Marie Chris mo
Hatao,
dyan. Halika dito ka.
Aga, fan forever.
Ayan. Uy, tumayo pa si Manay, Marie Chris. Dito ka dali. Hindi ka makikita ni Aga.
Yeah, kita. Hello.
Ay.
Uy, kinikilig. Marie Chris, kinikilig ka?
Oo.
Okay, go.
Ngayon na tayo nagkakilala, no?
Hindi po, matagal
Yung ba?
na. Oo.
Okay.
Ba't may po?
Lagi ako sa picture.
Yes, ba't may po?
Hindi, Aga,
yes.
narinig ko lang kasi na isa sa nag-convince sa'yo para tanggapin tong show na to, si Lea Salonga. Totoo ba yun?
No, it was just parang out of the blue, she calls me. She sends me a message, and then, parati naman kami nagkakausap noon, ano? And then, but through text, through messaging and like that. But then she messages me that if I could take a call. I'm like, So of course I called her up right away, and then what's happening? And he goes, there's this guy, there's Peter Dizon. Peter is a good friend of mine, he's really good, he's gonna take care of you, and ganyan-ganyan. Ako yung napag-uutusan lamang, at ganyan-ganyan, at meron daw ganyan-ganyan, at baka daw you might want to do the show. And I think you should do it, I think you should do it, because, ba ito, ganyan-ganyan. It's like, I know some of them, but si Peter, that Peter guy, sabi ko, no. So yung Peter na puso ko parati, si Peter. Yeah. So, yes, she would tell me na parang do it. Sabi ko, kinakabahan ako, But it was really my wife, of course, who talked to me about it, and I said, and she said, I know this group, I know that group, and they will take care of you. And I think, sabi niya, B, parang it's about time. You go back to where you belong. Parang you love that. It's like, oh really, you think so? Parang, yeah. Nasa dugo mo na talaga yan, sabi sa akin ng asawa ko. So that made me realize things. And I had to ask her also, like, are you ready? Sabi ko, like, if I go back, like our boundaries are better off now. We know our limits. Parang gano'n. So when she said go, and the kids, and then I met with them, and then brought Atasha with me, my daughter. So Atasha was there listening, and she goes, crap, Dad, this is, parang may expression siya, this is like, parang, something, no? Parang meaning cool, no? But may term sila eh. Parang
What is it?
It's like this, blah, blah, blah. Do it, ganyan. So nice, yeah. Okay. Yun na yun.
Kaya pala gusto manood ng first taping.
Yes,
Hey.
Diba? Parang mga mga boylets doon.
Baka ma-inlove sa isa sa mga band members, ha? In the morning, ha? Bantayan mo. Marie Chris? Ay, yun lang.
Thank you.
Okay, last question mula kay Jojo Panalingan. Ikaw na ang last. Ay, na ni Kuya Bo.
Akin backgrounder question lang, Aga.
Yeah.
Sa buong career mo ba, Campus Beat lang ang ni-record mo talaga?
Ang record ko?
Di ba? Ikaw ang kumanta ng Campus Beat. Nasundan ba yun?
Hindi. Kumakanta ako live.
What?
Lahat ng promo ko, pag nag-movie ako, live yun. Tsaka nagko-concert ako.
What?
Tsaka, meron ako. Confidence.
Ayun.
Pero di ba? Ni-record mo yung
Yes, Campus
Beat.
Beat.
Hindi nasundan.
Ano yun? 16 tracks yun. Alam mo yun, yung boses mo, parang 16 kayo.
So hindi nagkaroon ng point sa career mo na pinag-isipan kang i-develop as a singer? No.
No. Parang I've always wanted to do a concert, a major concert sa Araneta at that time. Before, parang masarap lang isipin, pero parang sa akin hindi ko kaya gawin. But although I really love to perform, more than sing, you know, perform with a live band and sing, ganyan. But the singing itself is really parang tama talaga, hindi para sa akin yun.
Alright.
But sabi ko, magaling ang tenga ko.
Second to last question.
Yeah.
What do you think of the
Tapos
trend na in recent years, yung mga may itsura kahit hindi naman masyadong magaling kumanta ay nagiging recording artist?
There's nothing wrong with that. May nag-produce.
May bumili.
May nag-produce, may bumili. They had fun doing it. What's wrong? Diba? Parang, there's nothing wrong. Parang, that's fine, I guess.
Last question ko.
Yes.
Nagkaroon ka ba ng girlfriend na singer or may niligawan ka bang singer? Thanks.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Manay ang tanong, meron mo siyang niligawan or nagkaroon siya ng girlfriend na singer?
Gusto kayo, ano?
Si Aga.
Kaya marami akong kilala.
Hindi ko mabilang.
Ayan na.
Pero marami akong kilala naman siyempre. Yes.
Ayun, welcome back.
Thank you. Welcome.
Alright, before we do the photos and the
Thank you.
Interviews again, may we invite you, Kuya Aga, dito sa ating cake area. Dahil nga birthday ni Kuya Aga last week.
May cake ako dyan?
Yes!
Hindi ka.
We'll have blowing of the cake ceremony.
Thank you.
Parang debut.